Welcome to World Prism. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. In late 2025, the internet exploded with rumors NASA was panicking over a mysterious signal from an object called 3I Atlas. Social media claimed this interstellar visitor was sending a structured signal at the famous hydrogen line, a frequency long associated with the search for alien life. The story went viral, drawing comparisons to the legendary WOW signal of 1977 and fueling wild speculation. Was 3I Atlas an alien probe? Podcasts and influencers amplified the claims, making the idea of first contact feel tantalizingly close. For a moment, it seemed humanity was on the verge of its greatest discovery. The narrative tapped into our deepest hopes and fears about being alone in the universe. But as the excitement grew, the real science was quietly unfolding behind the scenes. The truth, as always, was more complex and just as fascinating. So, what really happened with 3I Atlas? Let's separate fact from fiction. 3I Atlas is no ordinary comet. Its journey is a cosmic rarity, a true visitor from the vastness between the stars. It's only the third interstellar object ever detected by humanity, following in the footsteps of Oumuamua and 2I Borisov, and each one has brought new mysteries. Spotted in 2024, it was moving far too fast to be from our solar system, confirming its alien origin. Its hyperbolic trajectory means it's just passing through, never to return. Unlike Oumuamua and 2I Borisov, 3I Atlas showed dramatic activity as it neared the sun, spewing water vapor in a spectacular display. This made it a particularly exciting target for astronomers. This outgassing created a glowing coma and tail, revealing its rich water ice content. The sunlight illuminated its icy heart, making it visible even from millions of kilometers away. For scientists, every observation is a rare glimpse into the chemistry of another star system. Each measurement helps us understand the diversity of planetary systems beyond our own. Studying 3I Atlas is like receiving a postcard from across the galaxy, a message written in ice and dust from a place we may never visit. Its light, gases, and trajectory offer clues about its birthplace and the building blocks of distant worlds. By analyzing its spectrum, we can compare its ingredients to those found in our own solar system. Does it resemble comets from our own solar system, or is it something entirely new? Each discovery challenges our understanding of what's possible in the universe. 3I Atlas is a physical piece of another world, delivered to our doorstep. It's a tangible link to the unknown, a sample of cosmic history. It's a once-in-a-generation opportunity to learn about the universe beyond our own backyard, and a reminder that the cosmos is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. The viral story of an alien transmission was rooted in a real scientific discovery, one that captured the imagination of people around the world. But as the news spread, the facts were quickly distorted, with speculation and rumors outpacing the actual science. In October 2024, South Africa's Meerkat radio telescope detected faint, mysterious radio emissions from the interstellar comet 3I Atlas, a visitor from beyond our solar system. But these weren't structured signals at the hydrogen line, which some associate with intelligent life. Instead, they appeared at 1665 and 1667 megahertz, frequencies that told a different story. These frequencies are the unmistakable signature of hydroxyl radicals, fragments of water molecules broken apart by sunlight, a process that happens as comets approach the sun. It was the first time radio emissions had ever been detected from an interstellar comet, confirming that 3I Atlas was actively shedding water vapor as it neared the sun's warmth. For astronomers, this was a breakthrough, direct, unambiguous evidence of water from another star system carried across the vastness of space. The world buzzed about alien messages and the possibility of contact, but scientists celebrated a different kind of first contact, a chemical fingerprint from deep space, revealing the comet's true nature. The signal told them how much water the comet was losing, offered clues about its composition, and hinted at the processes shaping objects from other solar systems. There was no coded message, no alien probe, just the natural chemistry of a cosmic traveler, revealing secrets through the language of molecules and light. The real story was about expanding our understanding of the universe, not making contact with another civilization, but learning more about our cosmic neighborhood. And that, for science, was thrilling enough. A reminder that discovery often comes not from the extraordinary, but from understanding the wonders of the natural universe. The gap between viral rumor and scientific reality was huge. The public latched onto the idea of a deliberate alien message at the hydrogen line, a classic SETI target. But the actual signals were broad, faint emissions from hydroxyl radicals, not coded pulses. This was chemistry, not technology. Sunlight breaking down water in the comet's coma. Scientists quickly agreed, 3I Atlas was behaving exactly like a natural comet. There was no NASA panic, no secret cover-up, and no evidence of artificial signals. The excitement was about confirming water on an interstellar object, not alien contact. This episode is a lesson in scientific literacy. Sensational stories spread fast, but the real discoveries are often more subtle and more profound. The true wonder lies in the chemistry of a visitor from another world. 3I Atlas wasn't an alien probe, but its journey still expands our understanding of the cosmos. Sometimes reality is just as awe-inspiring as fiction. To understand what Meerkat detected, let's break down the fascinating science behind hydroxyl radicals and why they matter so much in astronomy. Water molecules, H2O, are split apart by intense sunlight as a comet nears the sun, a process called photodissociation. This happens because the sun's energy is powerful enough to break the chemical bonds in water. When one hydrogen atom breaks away, you're left with a hydroxyl radical, one oxygen and one hydrogen atom bonded together. This molecule is highly reactive, meaning it doesn't last long and is quick to interact with other particles. These radicals absorb sunlight, get excited, and then release energy as radio waves at very specific frequencies, 1665 and 1667 megahertz. These frequencies are like a calling card for astronomers. This song is a chemical fingerprint, unique to hydroxyl radicals. It's a signature that scientists can spot even from millions of kilometers away. Astronomers have used these emissions for decades to study comets in our own solar system, helping us learn about their composition and behavior. Detecting them from 3I Atlas confirmed it was rich in water, just like many local comets, showing a direct link between distant visitors and our own cosmic neighborhood. It also proved that the same physical laws and chemical processes apply to objects from other star systems, not just those born near our sun. The discovery was a beautiful demonstration of the universality of nature's rules, connecting us to the wider cosmos. 3I Atlas sang the same song as comets born around our sun, echoing a familiar tune across the vastness of space. Across the galaxy, the language of chemistry remains the same, uniting distant worlds through the shared patterns of nature. While most scientists agree 3I Atlas is a natural comet, a few voices urge caution. Harvard's Avi Loeb, for example, argues we shouldn't dismiss the possibility of artificial origins too quickly. He points out that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and that we should keep looking just in case. Loeb's approach isn't about insisting 3I Atlas is an alien probe, but about keeping science open to surprises. Continued monitoring ensures we don't miss anything unusual. Even if it's just a comet, every observation teaches us about worlds beyond our own. Science advances by questioning, testing, and staying curious. In the end, an open mind is our best tool for discovery. The story of 3I Atlas isn't over. In December 2025, it will make its closest approach to Earth, a prime moment for telescopes to capture new data. Then, in March 2026, it will pass near Jupiter, where NASA's Juno spacecraft will listen for any unusual signals. Each observation helps answer big questions. Is water common in other solar systems? Are the building blocks of planets universal? 3I Atlas is a messenger from the unknown, igniting our imagination and curiosity. Whether it's a natural comet or something more, its journey is a rare gift. These fleeting visitors remind us how much there is left to explore. They connect us to the wider galaxy and inspire us to keep searching for answers. The universe is vast, and every interstellar traveler brings us closer to understanding our place within it. The biggest question remains: are we alone? For now, the search continues.